Hey you guys, it's your girl Kay and welcome back to my channel. And I'm about to do a get ready with me. I'm about to get ready to go hang out for Sunday Funday is what I call it. I already have my wig cap on. I've laid the edges. I'm not gonna put my wig on yet because I sprayed it and it's still wet, so I don't want to put it on yet. I'm gonna let it dry a little longer. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and finish my makeup. I've already done my brows, as you can see, because I feel like it's easier to do those off camera. But anyway, I'm gonna go in right now, do my foundation, then I'm gonna find what I'm wearing, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product before I get ready to leave out the door, okay? I'm excited, I'm ready to go. I've been in the house like a lot this weekend, so I'm really ready to go somewhere, okay? Because I've been looking like a little boy for the past few days, and that's not it, okay? So yeah, let's get started, babies. So really, I like to use the Lancome, and then I mix it with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in the color Caramel Beige. So I mix these two. I don't put much of this in it because it'll make my face look really cakey, and it does not look right. So I only mix a little of the L'Oreal Paris with my Lancome. I don't mix a bunch of it because it will not, when I tell you, it will not look right. Like, I've done that one time before, and ever since then I make sure I don't put a lot because I don't want to be walking around here looking crazy. I can't. It's just not me. It's just not me. So I'm gonna go ahead and then I mix it with my mineral infused face primer as well. So I know I did a get ready with me before, but I don't really think I don't think I talked through the entire video. I won't be talking to this entire video either. I'm gonna I know at some point I'm just gonna stop talking because I'm gonna have to focus on what I'm doing. What I'm not trying to do is mess up my face and have to start over because I'm ready to go. Like, your girl been in the house and she is ready to go, okay? Like, that's just the bottom line. So if you see me looking right here, you probably can't see it, but I have a mirror. I'm making it, now you can see. I have a mirror that I'm looking at that I'm gonna use. I have my lash extensions still on. They're still hanging on by a limb, baby. They trying to come off, but it's just, they're lasting way longer than I thought they would. I got them done on Valentine's Day, and today is, what's today? I don't know what today is. I think it's March 8th. Is it March 8th? I don't know what today is. It's a Sunday though. But it almost lasts 4 weeks. They're still on. I can do my makeup really fast now because I've been doing it for so long. And at first it would take me forever to do my makeup, but now it takes me no time. About to go in with my LA Girl Concealer in the color Pure Beige. I use this under my eyes. I use the e.l.f. as well, the e.l.f. concealer, but not so much of it. I use the 16-hour Camo Concealer. I don't like to use much concealer under my eyes during the day it's fine. It's just like, I don't really just like to use a lot because I feel like, oops, I got it on me. I got makeup on me. I don't want any flashback in my pictures. And you can look crazy sometimes if you use too much concealer. Last Sunday I went out as well. I went to like Camp Creek area and hung out some. I had brunch at Milk and Honey. I had the red velvet chicken and waffles. That was pretty good. I love chicken and waffles. But Sundays are actually my favorite days to go hang out because I just feel like I love hanging out during the day. I would rather hang out during the day than at nighttime because your girl be sleepy. Like, I be ready to get home and go to bed. So if I'm hanging out during the day, by the time I get home and stuff, it's still early, and I can just relax and go to bed at a decent time. Really, you don't always have to go out at nighttime. Like, you can just go out during the day and hang out and then get home at a decent time. So it's really whatever you prefer. It's really what it is, whatever you prefer. But I prefer day parties. That's what I prefer. It's my preference. Yeah, I just slipped this on because I don't do my makeup with the clothes that I'm wearing on, because what if I get makeup or something on it and then I'm gonna be mad? So I put my clothes on last and do my makeup first, okay? I think that's the best way to do it, but y'all can comment down below the way that you prefer to do it. Some people prefer to have their clothes on already, so when they're done doing their makeup, they can grab their purse, put their shoes on, and be out the door. Oh, I just thought about it. I can wear this purse that I've ordered from, where did I order this purse from? I ordered it from Posh by V, and I still haven't put it on yet. I still haven't worn it. I've been going places and that purse is still sitting there. I haven't put it on. I haven't put anything inside of the purse and matched it with an outfit, but I would have to see what I would wear it with, because the purse is pink. Oh, you know what? This is what I can talk about. Posh by V. Now, if you skinny and petite like me, I weigh about 130 and I'm 5'2". Now, I'm kind of heavy chested for my size, because like I said, I'm 130 and I'm 5'2", but my boobs are big. So Fashion Nova size smalls fit me very, very well, you know. But when I ordered from Posh by V, the item I ordered was terrible. Like, it didn't look like the picture. It didn't fit me well at all. I don't know what the world they doing over there, but I do not recommend them. Do not shop them. And you know they don't give your money back, so all they gave me was a store credit. So I had to shop with them again, so I was kind of like forced to buy something else. That's the reason why I got the purse from them. So I just got the purse because I'm like, okay, I spent like $65 with them. I need to use this credit. But I didn't want to buy clothes again because their clothes just do not fit right. Like, they just don't fit right. Like, I wouldn't recommend anybody my size to shop with them. I'm gonna go in with some lip liner. My favorite color to line my lips with is brown. If you're not following my social medias already, make sure you follow me at prettyyounglady_. Go in with this color from ColourPop, Ultra Blotted Lip. It's the color Cloud Chaser, not cloud, but cloud. I think it's really pretty on my skin tone. Keep it full, because I love a lip plumper. I like my lips to look very full. It's natural, it's pretty, it's just like I like it. I think I did a good job today. I took my time, look at my shadow, it's pretty natural. I'm gonna spray my face one more time and then I'm gonna find my outfit for today. The final look. The heels I have on are from fashionnova.com. I ordered a lot of heels from them. These are in a size 7. I would say they are true to size, but I just don't scrap them up very tight so I can have some room. And then this is the purse that I was talking about earlier. That's from Posh by V. And I just matched this with some jeans and a cute top. And yeah, this is the finished product, baby. I'm loving it. I think it's something chill and cute for today. My wig is actually still wet, as you can see, so hopefully it dries by the time I get there. Hey you guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching my Get Ready With Me. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And yes, babies, I'm about to sit over here and wait until my ride comes because your girl is not driving today. Okay, boo. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.